Hi guys, in today's tutorial, we will see how to use material UI icons in our React application. So first of all, we have to move in Google and here we have to type, let me open it. And here we have to type material UI icons. I have showing here an option, I'm just clicking here. So the very first website, you have to click here. And here you can see that there is a lot of icons. Basically all these icons are npm icons. So first of all we have to install, just copy it, and here we have to move in our terminal. I'm just writing Ctrl plus J to open our terminal. So first of all I'm going to close the terminal and I'm going to restart it at once. So I'm going to write here Ctrl plus J, and I have to type here, and here you can see that it is going to install now. Material UI icons are going to install in my local system, so it will take some time, and after some time it will be installed. Whenever this application or these icons would be installed in our npm, you will see that in our dependencies we would have shown here the npm icons as well. And here you can see that we have extra options which are known as MUI material, icons material, and material as well. So these are nothing but just the installation of our npm icons. And now I have to start our npm node package manager start, and this is going to install now. This basically this system React application is going to open now in our local server. So here first of all we have to move in our Google Chrome again, and here you can see that we have a lot of built-in icons which are material UI icons, and you can have, let me show you all these icons at once. You can see this is a huge number of icons, and here you have basically field option, outlined option, and you will see that how is it looking. You can see field, and whenever we click on field all the icons are filled, and whenever we click on outlined all the elements are basically empty but only filled by outlined. So this is for rounded, and this is two tone, and the below one is shop. So all this is, I'm just going to take here outlined. It's up to you. I'm just going to show you that how to use material UI icons in our React application. So first of all I'm going to search here plus, and you can see that we have an option of plus. Let me see this one. I gonna to use field basically. So this one, and now I'm going to import. I have just copied that value, and I have to move in our VS Code, and in our VS Code I have to import it where I have to use. So first of all, I am going to import our plus value, and here I am going to use our plus value. Control C, and I am just going to minimize that terminal. Control J. Now this is minimized, and instead of income we have to use now icons basically, and here we have to write self-closing tag. Control S, and whenever I move in my browser, just wait, and you can see that now it is basically our icon. Basically this is not our plus sign but just icon. Whenever we click on that icon, you can see that the number is incremented by 1, and you can see it is looking awesome. This is a sharp, this is a sharp plus. So this is far more better looking than our bootstrap icons. So this is the power of our material UI icons, and here I have to use a second icon which is known as delete. And for delete I am going to use that icon, and this is the path of our icon, and I'm just going to import every component. Whenever you have to use in your React application, you have to import it. So I have imported it from material UI icons, which is our node package manager. Control C, and here I am going to use it instead of our dignum. I am going to use that icon here. So this is now a component basically. Control S, and let me move in our browser, and you can see that it is looking awesome now. And you can see whenever we click on this add button, now it is making an addition of single value, and we have done all that. This is nothing but just our increment decrement challenge that we have seen in our previous tutorial. So we have just used our icons here instead of buttons, and whenever I click on that delete button, it is deleting components value by single value. So this was basically our material UI icons tutorial, and I hope you understood it, and you can use a lot of here. Let me show you. Let me remove it, and you can see that there is almost 2127 icons basically. All these icons are basically in our 5 shapes styled.